2. Functions f and g are defined by this and this, where h and k are constants. g3 is 8 and gf2 is 5. Find the value of h and of k. Alright, so let's list down first. fx is given as x over x minus 1. And gx is given as hx plus k. Okay. So first they gave us g3 is 8. Okay, let's sub this in. So gx is hx plus k. Therefore g3 will be h times 3 plus k. So h times 3 is 3h plus k equals to 8. Okay. Then they gave us gf2 equals to 5. So let's first find what is gfx. We know gx is hx plus k. Gy will be hy plus k. So gfx will be h times fx plus k. Then we can sub in the value of fx. So h times x over x minus 1 plus k. Okay. And then they said gf2 is 5. So here we have the value of gfx. So if gfx is this, gf2 will be 2 and 2. You just sub the x with 2. So h 2 over 2 minus 1 plus k equals to 5. Okay, so this will be gf2 lah. Sorry, the whole thing. This whole thing will be gf2. Okay, then we expand this. So this will become 2h over 1. So it's just 2h plus k equals to 5. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1, so just 2h plus k. Right. So now we have first equation and second equation. We can solve these two simultaneously. Okay, let's erase all the other stuff. We need this. We need this. This one all can delete. Alright. So we have k and k, so we can just minus these two equations off. So 3h minus 2h is h, k minus k will cancel off, 8 minus 5 is 3, so h is 3, and then you can sub this value into any of these equations. So let's take equation 1, 3h plus k equals to 8. So 9 plus k equals to 8. Therefore, k is 8 minus 9, negative 1. So h is 3 and k is negative 1. Okay, simultaneous equations. Right. Let's just write this down. H is 3, k is negative 1. So that's gx. Alright, let's look at question B. The value of a if fga is 3. Okay, so fx is x over x minus 1 and gx is now 3x minus 1. We first need to find fgx. Then only we can find fga. Okay, so if fx is x over x minus 1, fy is y over y minus 1, fgx will be gx over gx minus 1. And gx is 3x minus 1, so we just sub this in lah. Okay, we just sub the gx with the gx that we know. Okay, now let's expand this. So 3x minus 1 minus 1 will become 3x minus 2. Okay, so this is our f(g(x). So if f(g(x) is 3x minus 1 over 3x minus 2, f(g(a) will be 3a minus 1 over 3a minus 2. Okay, so now they said f(g(a) is equal to 3. So we can say 3a minus 1 over 3a minus 2 equals to 3. Then we can solve this lah. So this whole thing you times there. So 3a minus 1 is 9a minus 6. So let's bring this 3a here and the negative 6 there. So 9a minus 3a is negative 1 plus 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 9a minus 3a is 6a. So if we make a the subject here, you'll get 5 over 6. Okay, so you can rewrite this. A equals to 5 divided by 6. Done.